Well, it's been a long, long day. You know, highly anticipated event, and now I'm finally a Golden State Warrior. Say what?
The rookie test right here.
I get used to it. It's gonna be a long year. Carrying luggage, getting donuts, coffee. Hopefully that's it. We got two great coaches that are pushing us. Getting creative with the kind of drills we're doing. So it's good work for us. We got a lot of energy. To try to work on our game whenever we get a chance to. First NBA game. So excited to be here. It's like a dream come true for me, so I'm kind of nervous now, actually, walking up to the gym and everything, but hopefully we'll have a good game and get that first win, so I'm excited.
The Beatrice screen. Jumper right through. There's always our balance. You're going to like this kid.
It was fun. I mean, the crowd was into it. I felt the adrenaline rush when I first got out there.
Are you excited about the rookie game?
I'm very excited, man. I watched it last year. I'm glad to be a part of it this year. Hopefully have some fun. We're going to win, right?
Oh, yeah, no doubt about that.
I need some good luck, boss. I need some good luck. How you doing, dog?
I've been holding on to it for you.
I appreciate it. Hey, you owe me one. I need one, James. I need one, James. I need one, James. Pop's already told me I'm going to 2 in a row for the same spot. Make him work on D then. Yeah! Okay, old man! YMCA move. YMCA move. I see you, big fella! I see you, big fella!
Man, let's throw your arms out.
Static. You see that?
Well, let's pick it up.
Coach, you dropped something. You ready? You know this. Pre-game fuel. Coach, one more. The ball flies good in Beijing. The ball flies good in Beijing. We played a lot of horseshoe games, beat the pro, all that kind of stuff, but nothing one-on-one locked up kind of deal. I mean, you taught me never let somebody win, no matter if they're family or not. If you're playing against them, you really gotta compete.
The third splash, bro.
We're still taking applications, don't worry. To a certain degree, that's put on the USA jerseys, kind of represent our country, but they do it to a whole new level. A whole nother level overseas when they're going out and fighting for us. So for them to just take an afternoon off and come out and watch us play, it means a lot to us. This feels special. It's my second one. I don't take this for granted. A great group of guys who got the job done. That's what we came here for. 2 months of hard work and sacrifice. This is what we got to show for it. USA!
Look at us. Middletown people.
Okay, love. I ain't got it though. I just gotta step into it. Oh, yeah. And one! You think you got all that space to relax though on the lift, on the shot, and you close the space up. Create that space! Create that space! Create that space! Alright, KD! Hold that money! Hold that money! Yes, sir! USA, all the way! Y'all get all that? Y'all get all that? Finally got me a 3-point competition trophy. Pretty happy about it, so job is finished.
Dirk Nowitzki off the lead pass.
Get up, big fellas! Get out! Oh yeah, this is what All-Star Weekend's all about, is giving them a show and allowing them to be a part of the game and what we do, so they brought the energy today, and should I continue all weekend?
Bang, bang! Bang, bang! No more dunking. That's a scary thing. That's a scary thing. Don't do that. I just got my one. Just don't do it.
Oh! Smoke!
Come on, dog!
Oh! Oh!
my head. That's the headband. The headband, you good. Step, move. Step, move, move. Oh! That was my one chance.
How you doing? Pleasure. Thank you very much. You are all-time great. Unbelievable. Big fan. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. What? The best thing about being on the road is you going into a road arena. It's just you and your boys, your teammates. Got nobody else. So if you want to win, you got to have that collective mentality that it's us against the world. And you need that from time to time to kind of challenge you. So I like that vibe that we get. This is surreal, man. I'm gonna save my words for the podium, that I like to say, but definitely a dream come true. Actually, I don't even know if I dreamed this far. It's just pretty special. The elite group of guys have joined now. That moment, fellas. Every possession, bring that focus, bring that energy. Let's get this win. Just us. 1, 2, 3.
I would love to feel whatever the hell you're feeling right now. Just once in my life. For me, like, if I went like 5 for 6 and made 4 threes, that was about the best I ever did. I'm gonna show you. That's your shooting totals. That's your plus minus. All right, so it's not always tied together. You're doing great stuff out there. The tempo is so different when you're out there. Everything you generate for us is so positive. It shows up here, not always there, but it always shows up here. You're doing great. Carry on, my son.
Every game's important. You got to focus on what's in front of you. So you get that first one's a good feeling. You obviously know there's a lot of work to do.
Pop was like, my mentor. He would always tell us in these situations, it's supposed to be hard. Congrats to you.